Hello. Today we're learning to write the cursive alphabet. Why are you here? Maybe you want to learn, become more professional, more creative, build your personal brand, or simply be able to read your notes later. Today I'll be giving some tips, then we'll be writing out the alphabet together. So grab your paper to practice along. By the way, my name is Tia and this is my family. Let's learn. Let's talk a little bit about perfectionism. It's something I struggle with. Even making these videos is difficult for me because I'll just sit here over and over and over and try to get it just right. So I try to remind myself that it won't be perfect because I'm a person, I'm not some kind of a machine that can make it be perfect. So you shouldn't be aiming for perfectionism, you should just be aiming for practice. And progress will come as you practice. Let's discuss how to hold the pen. You want to use your thumb, your index finger, and your middle finger. You want the pen to be up, and you don't want to hold your wrist any kind of bent way because you don't want to hurt anything with your wrist or hand while you're writing. If you use your right hand, you'll slant your paper this way. And if you use your left hand, you'll slant your paper this way. That way you can see everything you're doing and you can hold your paper with the other hand that you're not writing with and still see what you're doing. Now for the active cursive practice. As you can see here, I will be copying each letter and then writing each letter 3 times. This gives you the chance to see each letter's exact formation and practice on your own. These sheets are linked so you can buy and print these practice sheets to make your practice easier, or you can just use regular notebook paper. If this feels too fast for you or you're struggling to keep up, I will link the version that is in regular speed instead of the sped up version. This practice includes each letter of the alphabet in upper and lowercase. If you found value here, please remember to like and subscribe, and consider saving this video to come back to if you need a quick review at some point in the future. Now let's enjoy seeing and writing the rest of the alphabet. Now is also a good time to tell you that there are bloopers at the end. If you would like to see those, you can stick around until the very end. now we've gone through the entire upper and lowercase alphabet. You've had the opportunity to follow along and practice. Let me know in the comments what you think. Is your hand tired? I'm proud of you for sticking with it today, and you made it all the way to the end. So if you'd like to see more of my videos, you can subscribe and take a look at my channel. Thanks. Bye. Next, let's just talk a little bit about okay. Next. Okay. It's how to hold paper. No, that's not right. Hold. So, oh, I think I already said that. Well. Well, now you've watched. Oh, I guess that's it. Oh, the end. Oh, that's what I was going to record next.